Then is here. Yeah. When you see my life, yesterday I see Mila, she do here at the beginning. She will be a little confused here. The wire is wrapped this way. Then she always use this wire to help her to go like this. Then too much tight at the plier. Then finally, then she don't know where to go, and she tied too much the plier. Then finally the wire go not straight and like this. Yeah. So at the beginning, someone will be confused. This or this, yeah, this or this. She confused at the beginning. Even she see I show her several times, then she will be a little lost at this part where to go. Yeah, finally the wire like this, and I'm here to show you that slowly. Yeah, this is what I teach her to do. Yeah, the wire, when you get first the plier here at this part, you are not tight too much on the wire, not very tight. Okay, just put it here. Okay, then your finger is not going to bend the wire bottom. Not going to bend the wire bottom. You just go to bend the wire at the top. Okay, so first fold on behind. Okay, then fold the wire on the top. This wire not going to touch it. So wrap like here. Then when you are go let your plier up, it's not tight it and up. Yeah, I ask her, she up the plier, she tight it and up. Finally, the loop not round, right? This is the way you need to pay attention. Then we remake. Okay, we remake it to show you another problem. Okay, here, not attach the bottom one, just tight here and fold the wire. Okay. Then use your finger to calm the wire fold. Then you open your plier and upside down the plier. Yeah, it's here. Open it, then come. Not tight it and come to top. It's open, then come, then wrap. So that the loop will be nice. Yeah. Hello, Nami. Long time no see. Yeah, long time no. Yeah, so thank you. You see, fold it and wrap and open and touch. Okay, so finally the loop beautiful. Then you attach it on a chain or on something else. For example, we are going to attach it on this loop. Okay, then you are going to use the plier to tight it here. When you tight it here, your plier cannot tight it very heavy. Okay, tight very heavy. What's the problem? Will be meat. You can find it here. If you tight too much heavy, you see the wire will be with a heavy mark on it. Yeah, it will be hurt the copper wire coating. You see, it's because Stella, she's new making, so she tight it heavy. So you will see every loop with the mark on it. Yeah. So you will find it is here. But if you are not tight too much heavy, there will be no mark on it, just a little bit. Then wrap. Yeah, and cut. So this is the way to make. Yeah, you still do that. Yeah, here when you make the loop, don't tight it too much heavy. Yes. So at the beginning, the beginners will be have. So first fold, okay, wrap it, okay, then your plier must be open and attach, yeah, but not tight it and attach. Then the loop, if your loop become the shape out of shape, it's because when it's folded, then you bend it to top, so finally your loop not round. Yeah, this you need to open plier and to go up. So fold. I'm not tight the wire so much, okay, not heavy tight. Then come and up and go. So here you can see my wire not too many mark, yeah. Then if we are going to make the wrapper, you see, just be loose plier, okay, so no mark on here. No mark, it means here it will be not hurt the copper wire, not hurt the copper wire. Then after long time, the here will not be turned black. But here, if you plier too heavy, all this copper wire after time it will turn black. Yeah, because the coating be hurt. That's the reason. So this just more practice, then you will be get the feeling. It's a kind of the feeling after more practice, then you can got. Yeah, so this is the way. And after to make one side of the loop, we go to make another side. Yeah, go to make another side. I tend to have a heavy hand with wire and my tools, so I've definitely done that. Yeah, so more practice at the beginning. If we can finish it, I think it's good. And more practice, then you will be better and better. That's the is a process. Yeah, don't be worried. Yeah. So when to make another side when someone the friends is like here, she not the plier far away the beads. Okay. Yesterday Mila have another problem. I told her to let the plier attach the beads. She told me when she fold the wire, there is no space to wrap. Then I understand the wire. When you attach the plier, attach the beads, okay, you are not tight the wire to fold to bend. You are just attach the beads, but when you bend it, your plier is loose. Your plier not tight. If tight here, you see I tight the wire and touch the beads, then I bend. Okay, so you see what will be happen. You see the copper wire almost be broken. Yeah, and then you tight, then bend here and here. Even like this, then you will see what will be happen. This part, the wire is almost be broken. Yeah, so to do this way, I show another one. Yeah, how to do. Your plier is not tight, it's loose. Yeah. Yes, it's 0.6. Janelle, for you, good night. My life will be also end as well. Thank you. Okay. So I show you in another side. Okay. So when to make another side, your plier is touch the beads, but it's loose, not tight the wire and bend. It's just loose to want to bend the wire with a shape. So after I bend, you can see no any mark here. Yeah, no any mark because I just attach here, then you will see my plier is not tight. I just want to bend. After bend, then this part will have a space a little bit. Yeah, the space is going to let the wire to wrap. Yeah, loose, and then here, and open the plier to go top. Okay, then here it's like this. So this way, then here you will find a 2 mm, a very small space is used to wrap the knot. Yeah, if you are tight it, then here the copper wire will be easy broken. Yeah, then here tight but not heavy tight, just loose tight, then to wrap. When wrap it, your finger is to wrap the wire to help the wire go, but the power is not from the plier part, is from the 2 finger to wrap the wire. Okay, so the copper wire, you see, is smooth on the surface, no any mark and cut. Here, to cut the wire clean, you need a good plier. The back is flat. The back is flat so that you cut the wire is clean, but not in this way. Yeah. I use the plier to help it close already. Yeah. Here. At the beginning, we see some part that the wire, you see, is not so much perfect clean. Then we can use the plier. Here you see I can help to cut some, then it come clean. Yeah, so this is also a tips that need to wrap. Yeah, need to good cutting plier. The top is sharp and the back is flat, so this is the way to help. Then this way to make no mark on the copper wire, then it will be after long time is still non-tarnish, but if with a lot of mark on the surface because the plier too heavy, so you will see that the plier already hurt the copper wire. Yeah, then after long time and slow inside the water, it will be turn black because the planting protector be hurt. Okay, so this is the way. That's the different. Yeah, this is just more practice, then people can got it. Pro size 6 mm, and I use 0.6 to match this one. Yeah, thank you.